Welcome to this presentation on bit serial processing elements. We'll explore their architecture and advantages in detail. Traditional parallel processing faces limitations. For large numbers of processing stages, fitting them onto a single silicon die becomes difficult. The sheer size of the processing units and the complex interconnection buses consume a significant amount of silicon area. Bit serial processing offers a solution. By using smaller processing stages, we can significantly reduce the silicon area required. This allows us to integrate many more processing stages onto a single chip, minimizing the need for complex and space-consuming interconnection buses. This diagram shows a simple bit serial multiplier. Notice how the multiplicand, B, is processed in parallel, while the multiplier, A, is fed in bit sequentially. This design minimizes the area required compared to a parallel multiplier. The multiplier operates iteratively. In the first iteration, the first bit of the multiplier is AND with the multiplicand, and the result is added to produce a partial product. Subsequent iterations repeat this process, shifting in the next bits of the multiplier and accumulating the partial products to generate the final result. The carry is fed back within the same stage to avoid propagation delays. The advantages are clear: increased processing density on a single chip, reduced interconnect delays due to the simplified architecture, and potentially faster processing for specific operations like multiplication due to the elimination of carry propagation delays. Key points for exam: bit serial processing stages are smaller by a factor of m compared to m-bit parallel stages. These stages save silicon area and layout complexity by avoiding interconnection buses. Initially 1/m slower, but carry propagation delays are eliminated, improving speed. Allows placement of m times more stages on a single die. Bit serial multiplier processes the multiplier bit by bit. Uses and gates, full adders, and delay registers to compute the product. Carries and partial products are stored in delay registers, enabling sequential computation. This architecture is efficient for integrated circuit design, balancing speed and area.